Hey friends, it's Neil with Tint Masters here at Window Effects. I'm going to show you how to remove the door sweep to tint these Canyons because sometimes these things are really tight. So first of all, we got a pick tool right in there and pop this cover off and use the 8mm. But on a lot of Chevys, you can just kind of grab and pull this back and it pops right back. But not on these ones, they're tight. So this is kind of the same thing as a Camaro. So you need these two kind of tools, get back in here. So you gotta make sure you're extra careful with people's vehicles. So what I need to do is I'm getting underneath this thing and then there's a little clip that's down here. So you use both of these kind of to wedge in here to get this clip and push this clip down right here. So if you can see that clip right there, all right, what I'm doing is pushing that tab down like that. So now what I'm gonna do is use this one as kind of a lever to work my way down. So I'm kind of using this to work my way down so I get my hand on each side of these like this. And then I can get my thing on the top of that right there and pull down on the top. And then I use my tool kind of turn both of these to pop that through. So we're gonna work our way down to the next one. I can see that clip right there. So I use this to kind of pick and turn that. There's the next one right there. And get our tool under there. I know it's hard to see, but then we popped them all. So once you got them all popped, right, then this thing should pop right back. This one's a little stuck again. So what I'm gonna have to do is, that's because I worked it the other way. So we're gonna have to just get this on this other one. Sometimes it pops back in like that. So now that we got that back, and all we want to do is carefully pull this out, because if you look down in here, these pieces are just slid down in there. So if you pull this out too fast, you could pull one of these up and knock it back in the door. So I want to pull them up nice and slow, see, because these things will lift right out and then they'll fall down in the door and they're lost forever. So I hope that helps. That's gonna help on the same, like kind of the newer gen Camaros the same way. Normally you can pop those back, but those clips are tough. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys.